And here's it.
Okay,
Obvious.
here we go.
This is the regular basketball.
3 free throws for Shaq.
3 free throws.
One each. Well, at least he's consistent.
0 for 1.
1 for 1. That's hold your follow through, Shaq. Oh, there you go, big fella. There you go. There it is. There it is.
One out of 2.
1 for 2. Yes, 1 for 3.
1 for
now
3.
I will give him the deflated basketball. And it doesn't make a difference. New England still would have won. New England still would have won. It doesn't make a difference. Stop crying about the New England. Actually, you're worried. Stop crying about winning and losing. Take your loss and go home. Take your loss.